I was sent this bass guitar, entry level, full size, from STRICH to test for you. This is the SPB S10. Now, this is a entry level kit. Everything comes with it, from the tuner, electronic tuner, the guitar, full size, the neck strap, the case, and this vintage looking mini amp that's USB chargeable with a C-type port, and it's portable, and it comes with the guitar cable to plug in the guitar, and you're all set to go. One package deal, and everything seems really great. This guitar is pretty beefy. It's nice solid wood, looks great, looks like a Fender, and it's got big machine heads. You know, the strings come installed, almost in tune. It only took me a couple of minutes to get it in tuned, and I was ready to go to play in a matter of 10 minutes. No need to set up anything. It comes with a couple of tools and you're good to go. So entry level, great sound. Let's check out what this little amp can produce. So we turn it on here. So right now we're getting a little sound out of there. Now, I am not a bass player. I play a regular guitar, just barely. So I'm showing you this from a new player's point of view. Like if I wanted to try bass guitar, I'd probably pick up a kit like this and get started. So we're gonna go from there. It's gonna raise the volume here. So the volume has to be raised a little bit for you to really get into it. You could plug in headphones and also listen through that way. This way you can keep quiet, or you could play it to sing along to music. So you got your tone button here, and you got your volume control right on the guitar. You also have jack or auxiliary volume, you got gain, you got tone, and then you got volume. You also have a drive function. When that's red, you're ready to. So that's pretty loud right there. There's a lot of gain, so you want to control it with the volume. Bass player, so I don't know all the techniques. I know you could like that, you could slap it, or you could use a pick, and you could pick. Get real nice with the coloring. Now that don't sound too bad for an amateur like me. I'm telling you, I've got maybe an hour on this thing, you know, just getting used to it. Turn up the volume this on the clean side. I'm gonna turn down the gain. I'm gonna try that again. Let's see. That's my core weakness, finger fretting, because I am an amateur. It takes a little bit to get used to, and you need a little bit of strength you gotta build up. It's like anything. You got to train for it. And let's get some gain out of there, some more volume. See. Okay. So we definitely need gain. So this is pretty cool, you know, you get your favorite song, you go along to it, you know, pass the time, get some good mental therapy, and you just get into a groove. So let's try this little bass line here. Because I am an amateur. So it's got good action. I've actually played a little bit on my fancy bass guitar, Fender bass guitar, and I will be able to tell the difference at my level between this and a higher end bass guitar. So at the price point, I think it's a great deal. You get everything you need to do, and this is a solid piece, and it looks great. Even if you just hang it on your wall, it's gonna look good. If you got a couple of instruments around the house and you get some friends together, everybody's got an instrument, and you always got the bass guy coming down, or the gal, and you get playing and having a great time. There's nothing wrong with that, and I like the little tuner that comes with. Turns green when you're hitting your mark. So great deal from STRICH. I really enjoy this, and you will too if you're looking for a beginner entry level bass guitar package. This is it.